Hi guys, Chet here. Now today I'm going to show you how to use Kommo CRM. It's a powerful customer relationship management tool that helps businesses manage leads, track conversations, and automate sales processes all in one easy place. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the basics. First, I'll give you a quick overview of what Kommo CRM is and how it works. Then I'll guide you through the sign-up process and give you a full tour of the dashboard. After that, I'll show you how to add leads, create tasks and contacts, and even integrate Kommo CRM with other platforms. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what Kommo CRM is. It is a tool that helps businesses manage their sales and communication a little better. It's made to keep everything smooth and simple so that teams can focus on what really matters. With Kommo, you can handle leads, keep track of sales, and even set up automated workflows to save some time. One of the best things about Kommo is how it keeps communication simple. It works perfectly with email, phone, and messaging platforms so that businesses can talk directly to clients through the CRM. Plus, it has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to use. Now, let me show you how to sign up for Kommo CRM. First, head to the Kommo website at kommo.com. Now, once you're there, look for the Sign Up button at the top right corner and click on it. Next, you'll see options to sign up. Now, you can use your email address, Google account, or Facebook. Just pick whatever works best for you. For this tutorial, we'll go with Google. Click on the Google option, log into your account, and allow the permissions that it asks for. After that, your Kommo CRM account will be ready in no time. You'll be taken straight to your dashboard, and then you're all set to get started. Now that you've signed up, let's take a closer look at the Kommo CRM dashboard. Now, as you can see, the dashboard is simple, clear, and pretty easy to use. The menu on the left lets you quickly access all of the main features so that everything you need is right there. At the top of the menu, there's an account section where you can manage your account and switch between dark and light theme. Next up is the dashboard tab, which is your main hub. It gives you a quick overview of your sales pipeline, tasks, and performance so that you can stay on track. Then we have the Leads tab. This is where you manage potential customers, track their progress, and really keep everything organized as they move through your sales process. The Chats tab is like your messaging center. It's where you can see and reply to messages from different platforms like WhatsApp and other messengers, all in one convenient spot. Moving on, the Calendar tab helps you stay on top of meetings, tasks, and follow-ups. It keeps everything in one place so that you never miss anything important. The Lists tab is perfect for organizing your contacts. You can group people based on different categories, making it very simple to connect with the right ones. Now, if you use email quite a bit, you'll love that Mail tab. It lets you send, receive, and track emails without having to switch between different apps. For reports and insights, head over to the Stats tab. This is where you can check your numbers, track performance, and make smarter business decisions. Then we have a Settings tab where you can customize everything from integrations to automation and other preferences. Down there at the very bottom, you'll find the Help Center tab. If you ever get stuck or you need guidance, this is where you can find useful resources and support. With this overview, you should now have a great understanding of the Kommo CRM dashboard and how to navigate it. Now, let's move on to one of the most important features, creating a lead in Kommo CRM. Leads are potential customers who have shown interest in your products or your services, but really haven't quite yet made a decision to purchase. To create a lead, simply click on the Leads tab from the menu. Once inside the Leads section, locate the plus lead button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This action directs you to the lead creation page where you can input all relevant details about the potential customer. The initial contact section lets you add a new lead by filling in their details. First, give the lead a name. Then you can add any tags that are relevant to the lead to help keep things organized. After that, you'll see a drop-down menu next to Initial Contact. Here, you can switch between different lead stages like discussions, decision-making, contract discussions, closed won, or closed lost. By default, it will set to Initial Contact. Next, you can fill in important details like the responsible user, sales value, and other key fields. The responsible user field assigns the lead to a specific team member. The sales value field helps you estimate how much revenue that lead could bring. Additionally, you can add contact details like the company name, work phone, work email, and position. These details will help keep everything organized and easy to access. Plus, there is a Notes section at the bottom of the screen where you can add specific information about the lead for future reference. Finally, once you've entered all of the details, don't forget to click that Save button at the bottom left corner. After saving, the lead will be created and you'll see extra sections like statistics, media, products, and setup. These sections let you track even more information about the lead. Now let's discuss how you can create a new task in Kommo CRM. Tasks are a core feature of any CRM as they help you keep track of important actions and follow-ups. To create a new task, click on the Calendar tab from the menu. Then click on New Task in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a new task creation window where you can input all of the necessary details. In that task creation window, the very first thing you'll see is the field for selecting the contact or lead connected to the task. This makes sure that the task is tied to the right person or company, so it's easier to track progress and interactions. Below that, there's a date selection field where you can set a due date for the task. It's usually set to today by default, but you can change it to any future date if you need. Next, you'll see the For field, which lets you assign the task to a specific user in the CRM. This helps keep things organized and makes it very clear on who's responsible for completing the task. There is also a follow-up section, which lets you mark if a task is part of a follow-up sequence. Once you've entered all the details, you can click Set. The task gets saved and will show up in the assigned users calendar and task list. All right, now let's discuss how to add a new contact to Kommo CRM. Contacts are individuals or companies with whom you have a relationship, whether they're leads, customers, or partners. To add a new contact, click on the Lists tab from the menu. Then click on the plus Add Contact button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a new contact creation window where you can input all of the relevant details. First, you want to add a name for the contact, and then add any relevant tags to really help keep things organized. Below that, you can choose a responsible user for the contact, as well as add details such as work phone, work email, and position. Next to each of these fields, there are 3 dots. Click on them and then add relevant information. Additionally, you can add notes at the bottom of the screen for future reference. Once you've entered all of the details, click on that Save button at the bottom left corner to create the contact. Finally, let's discuss how you can integrate Kommo CRM with other platforms. Integrations are important as they allow you to connect and transfer data between different tools and platforms. To connect Kommo CRM with other platforms, go to the Settings tab in the menu. In the settings, you'll find a list of integrations. Look for the tool that you want to connect and click the Install button below it. This will open the integration settings for that particular platform. For example, to connect Kommo CRM with Facebook, find Facebook in the integrations list and click Install. A preview window will pop up showing how incoming leads from Facebook will look in Kommo CRM. Next, click the Install button again on this preview page. Once this is done, Facebook will be integrated. After that, sign into your Facebook account to link it with Kommo CRM. On the integration page, click Sign into Facebook and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you can connect tools like Messenger, Facebook lead ads, Facebook ads, comments, or the Meta Conversations API. Well, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. And as always, if you have questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.